Hi there, this is Nigel from Study Buddy Tutoring. We're a tuition centre based in West Leederville in Perth, Western Australia. We cater for students from primary school right up through to year 12 in high school. So we specialise in maths and sciences, and hopefully you'll find this tutorial really useful. Today I'm going to do a brief tutorial on Pythagoras. Okay, Pythagoras only applies for right-angled triangles only. So very quickly I'll draw a right-angled triangle, breaking it down into its parts. So A, B, and C. The longest side C. The longest side C is the hypotenuse, right? And the relationship between A, B, and C is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. This is the only equation I'll write down when I'm using Pythagoras. And to find C on its own, you'll then have to square root A squared plus B squared to get rid of the indice on the top. Now, some textbooks like to modify the equation into two other sub-equations, and these equations is just to isolate for the other parts. So, for example, A is the same as square root of C squared take B squared, so when they isolate A on its own, and B is square root of C squared take A squared. Personally, myself, I do not like doing that because you're just introducing more moving parts, and when you're introducing more moving parts, there's a potential for error. So what I like to do is I'll set out a question. So let's say we're looking at a 3, 4, 5 triangle. If, let's say, they gave me 4 and 3, so it gave A and B. So I would solve it for C squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. So substituting this part for A, substituting this part here for B. And then conversely, let's say if I was given B, but not A, then I'll substitute in 5 squared is equal to A squared plus 4 squared. So let's say if we were given B and not A, then I would just solve it accordingly. So I'll isolate A squared on its own. So if it's 5 squared, take 4 squared is equal to A squared. 25 take 16 is equal to A squared. This is 9 is equal to A squared. Square root of 9 is equal to A plus or minus 3 is equal to A. So we discard negative. Discard the negative answer. So A is equal to 3. So that's what I mean by just using the one equation on its own. Yeah, the one equation on its own. Never use, naturally, once you've set everything out, you're going to be doing this or this. You're naturally going to be doing these adjustments anyway. So that's just my little routine that I like to I like to use. Well, I hope this concludes this brief tutorial. I hope this helps you and you find it useful. So yeah, so definitely come back come back to this YouTube channel for more helpful maths tutoring. And if you're from Perth, then definitely check us out. I hope myself and my team of tutors will see you at our tuition center sometime soon. All the best and take care.